Okay, so this chapter is all about good manners and good habit. So student, I hope you all know that good manners and good habit, how much important for a good and disciplined life. Yes, it is very important for our life. Maintain good manner, to learn good manner, gain good habits. So everyone should have good manner and good habits. Do you know four magic words? If I ask you, the student, tell me four magic words, can you say the magic words are? Just look at your book. It is written sorry. It is sorry. It is also please. It is thank you. And then it is excuse me. So these four are known as magic word. Now tell me why magic word? Why? Because in any case, in any situation, we can use this word. Like if we do any mistake, if we say something bad to anyone, in reply we say, if we hurt anyone, you say, we can say sorry, please. When we say please, when we should use the magic word please, if you want to request to anyone for something, if you need anyone's help, you can say please help me. Or so please we mainly use to request someone. Okay, then thank you. When we say thank you, in the reply of after getting something, we can say thank you. If we received any gift from anyone, if we get anything, any help from anyone, in the reply we should say thank you. And excuse me. Excuse me, this magic word we mainly use to get the way. Suppose now in the class we all are talking, so in the meantime, if you want, if you want to go to washroom, or if you want to bring your book, in the reply you can say, ma'am, please excuse me. Mean you are asking for a minute to excuse yourself. So these four are known as magic words. Okay, now continue. What do you do when you wake up in the morning? Do you wish good morning to everyone in your family? If you do not say no, Arvika is saying no. So from today, say good morning to your parents every day. Say wish them good morning, afternoon, then good night also. Okay, do you? So if you do not say, then start saying this to everyone in your family. I say also every day. We must follow good manner and good habit at home and in the school also. Don't think that good morning, good night, we should only say to our teacher. No, start using this word also in your family. Wish them also. Okay? Acha. Now go to next page. Now, good manner. So, what are good manners? We must say, I just say na thank you when we get something. We must say, we must say please when we request for something. Arvika, look at your book. We must say sorry. When we must say sorry? When we hurt someone. Okay, koshto dile. And we must say excuse me when we need the way. Excuse me. Or if you want to call anyone, so say, excuse me, give me some time. Like this, you can see. We must care for old people and we must be kind to animals also. What we do in our everyday life is become our habit. So underline this sentence. What is habit? What is habit? Habits and manners both are different. Habits mean the thing, the activity that we do every day is known as our habit. এভরিডে হোয়াট ইউ ডু, যেটা এভরিডে আমরা করি সেটাই আমাদের হ্যাবিট হয়ে যায়, বাট হ্যাবিট অ্যান্ড ম্যানার্স আর ডিফারেন্ট। Okay, the activity that we do every day, that become our habit. যেটা everyday করব সেটাই আমাদের habit হয়ে যায়, but good manners are the thing that we should do. Good habits. A person is good habits is liked by everyone. Now look at this good habit. Okay, now read all the good habit with me one by one. Number 1, we must wake up early in the morning. We must brush our teeth every twice a day. We must take a bath every morning. We must put proper oil in our hair. We must comb our hair properly. We must wash our hands properly. We must always wear neat and clean clothes. So these are the good habits that we need to follow in our daily life. And now look at this box. It is written that we say Suprabhat in the Hindi, which means good morning. In Hindi we say Suprabhat. Like Bengali also we say Suprabhat. As a student, let me tell you one thing. For the exam, memorize any 3 good habit. যে কোনো 3টি good habit মুখস্থ রাখবে for the exam. Okay, don't think that in the exercise nothing is there, so no need to do that. No. For the exam, prepare any 3 good habits. Any 3. You say, so question will be like this, write any 3 good habits. So as per your choice, you can write any 3 of this. Any 3 of these you can write. Okay? Acha. Now, this is your classwork. Do it now in your book. First solve this in your books and then tell me the answer. First do it. This one. Do. Pratyusha, yes. Yes, Pratyusha.
Sorry, ma'am. I ভুল করে হাত তুলে দিয়েছি।
Okay, don't be sorry. It's okay. Solve this exercise and then inform me. I didn't complete it. Okay, wait. Rajdi completed. Completed. Okay. Let it complete by all, then I will unmute everyone. So let me check who are doing. So all you have completed. Tirasha, okay. Mushina, Aryan, okay. Ayush, okay. No problem. Acha. Then Arhan is doing. Shivagni, Afrin is doing. Okay. Ifra, okay. Plus do complete and then raise your hand. Rashi, Shagni, very easy. Shamprikta, Nishan, Yuvaraj. First, your job is solve the exercise and then definitely will tell you the answer. But first you need to do it by yourself. Okay, now look at the book. We must say, acha, let me unmute you all. Have you completed Juboraj, Sanchayan? All you have completed? Acha. Okay, say, we must say thank you or sorry. When we get something, we must say,
Thank you.
we must say sorry. Thank you. What do you do in the every life becomes our habit? We must wake up slowly. Tell me please. Slowly. We must wake up early in the we must comb our hair. We must wash our we must say dash when we hurt someone. We must say sorry if we hurt someone. A person with good habits is liked by all, like everyone. We must wake up early in the morning. We must take a bath every morning. We must comb our hair properly. And we must be kind to animals. Completed? Is it completed? Okay. Is it completed? Okay. Now, do one thing. I'm going to stop my screen sharing. Okay. As we are having time right now. Okay, Ifra. Okay. So student, I'm giving you a task right now. Write any 3 good habit in your SST copy right now. Any 3 as you wish and then show me. These 3 good habit you have to memorize for the exam also. ওকে, যে কোনো 3টে গুড হ্যাবিট এখন খাতায় লেখো, বই থেকে বেছে নাও, আমি সেটা দেখে নিচ্ছি। দিস 3 ইউ নিড টু মেমোরাইজ, মানে পরীক্ষার জন্য 3টে গুড হ্যাবিট মুখস্থ করবে ফ্রম দিস চ্যাপ্টার। ইট উইল কাম ইন 3 মার্কস কোয়েশ্চেন। আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? ওকে, নাও প্লিজ ড্রপ your hand so that in the meantime I can take attendance. Okay, you just do your classwork and let me take the attendance. So please drop your hand. Name should become ordered accordingly. Swastik, all of you, write any 3 good habit from your book. Okay, boi dekhe lekho, no problem. First write it down, any 3. And don't raise your hand. When I will ask you for it, that time you'll do. Deepta completed. Armin said properly. Pratusha completed. Show me your copy. Very good. Afrin. First complete it properly and then raise your hand. Without complete your task, don't raise it. Okay, very good all of you. Arvika. Okay, Arvika. Swastik. Show me your copy. Show me your copy. If you have completed, show me your copy. Rajdhi. Okay, very good. Okay, Afrin, keep it down. Swastik, if you have completed, show me your copy. Okay, as it is first time, I gave you permission to write it from the book. But next day, you have to memorize this. Pornabho, Okay, very good. Ifra. Very good. Nice handwriting. Okay, Deepta, keep it down. Acha, please, those who have completed, raise your hand. Raise your hand so that I can identify that these students have completed. Very good, Irene. Very good, Armin. Very good, Shumon. Okay, Shumon. Do fast. Those who are writing, please do fast. Shamprikta. Okay, very good. Sampriti, Oishani. Okay. Sanchal, Juboraj, Pratyusha. Okay, Oishani, very good. Sampriti. Okay. Acha. Himadri, Orgho, Arhan, Shagnik, Rashi, Ronak Roy. Okay, Ronak, good. To whom you are talking, Rajthi? Rashi. Okay, very good. Himadri. Okay. Okay, okay, Orgho. Very good. Acha, next. Okay, Shagnik. Completed? Acha. Show me. Very good. Tirasha. Very good. Very good. Very good, Tirasha. And Arvika completed. Yes, yes, you had shown me. Okay, Arvika. Okay, Arshi. Okay.